Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to I'll see myself out. I'm going to show you how to remove the mop roller cover on the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, we have the underside of the vacuum right here, and there's a couple of things that we need to remove. First is going to be the mop roller itself. Press in on the side. There's a little button that says push. So you just press that, and the whole thing right here will come right out very easily. Then the second thing we have to do is there's this little button release right there that we have to make sure we have it the proper way. It's going to be pushed in towards the wheel, and you'll feel and hear a little click. And they have the instructions right here on the underside as well if yours is brand new. Maybe that's missing, maybe it's not, but they have the instructions for you right there. Push it in towards the wheel, and now we can just gently remove the cover. So if you need to replace it or clean it, that's all that you do. A little bit of grease on that side too, so just keep that in mind as you're handling it. And then if you want to reinstall it, you can see from our camera, there's basically two little guides there. You just finesse it in on each side. So you just line it up and it gently goes in. Then you kind of shift it once they're both in to your left. And then it'll go all the way back in, and then you can just pop that back, and that's it. The cover's reinstalled. Then we can take the mop roller, and we can do the same thing right here. And just gently press it back in. But that's it. Simple and straightforward to remove and reinstall the mop roller cover.